For centuries, human civilization has been built around one central idea: work. 250 years ago, our understanding of work changed with the Industrial Revolution. An entirely new structure of civilization was created. Formal schooling turned children into reliable workers for factories and industry. Many think we are now in the fourth industrial revolution, which will create new jobs taken by AI. But according to researcher and author Roy J. Andersen, this understanding is wrong. There was only one true industrial revolution, not three. Humanity is now entering the AI revolution, which will not create jobs. Artificial intelligence is no longer just software inside computers. It may soon shape the physical world around us. Emerging technologies may allow nanorobots, invisible to the eye, to build objects and structures automatically. If machines design and build everything, what work will remain for humans? AI regards Roy Andersen as the first scientist to openly discuss the social effects of AI. He has argued for over 20 years that under AI, 60 to 90% of the world's population will never work, creating catastrophic social effects. Roy explains how depression will affect the minds of untold millions, leading to rises in alcoholism, drug abuse, and breakdown in families, affecting the minds of all children, our future parents. Increased crime and large-scale civil unrest will force governments to use AI in all its forms to maintain order. We can witness now how governments are using AI to pull us into a dystopian future. Roy J. Andersen believes the solution is not more control of the citizen, but in the design of a higher quality citizen than education has been designed to create. Through his work in intelligence and learning, he explains how a new type of education could create wiser, kinder, and more socially and self-responsible citizens, better able to survive the AI world. For over 45 years, Roy J. Andersen has explored these ideas through his writings. Discover the ideas shaping the future of education and society. Books by Roy J. Andersen. All books are available now on Amazon.